Looking for a career change or wanting to work from the comfort of your own home? Finding remote work opportunities can be a challenge, but there are many websites dedicated to helping you find your dream job. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 websites for finding remote work opportunities, covering a range of industries and job types. Whether you're a digital nomad, a freelancer, or just someone looking for a better work-life balance, these websites are a great place to start your job search. From full-time employment to part-time gigs, we'll explore the best platforms to find remote work that suits your skills and lifestyle. Remote work has become a game changer for many of us. The flexibility, the freedom to work from anywhere, and the opportunity to balance work and life on our own terms have made it a highly sought-after option. With more and more companies embracing remote work, the demand for platforms that connect remote job seekers with employers has skyrocketed. Searching for remote work can be overwhelming. You've probably scrolled through countless job boards, only to find opportunities that aren't a good fit, or worse, scam listings that make you wonder if it's all worth it. The sheer volume of options makes it difficult to know where to start. And then there's the fear of falling prey to scams, which can be a major turnoff. Many of us have been there, excited about a job opportunity, only to realize it's not what it seems. That's why it's crucial to know the right platforms to use when searching for remote work. These platforms can save you time, reduce frustration, and increase your chances of landing a legitimate remote job. Let's get into my top 10 list. First up, we have FlexJobs, one of the most popular remote job boards out there. With over 50 job categories, it's a great place to find opportunities in various fields. What's unique about FlexJobs is its rigorous screening process, which means you can trust that the listings are legit. Next, we have Remote.co, which features a curated list of remote jobs in tech, marketing, and more. They also provide resources and tips for remote workers, making it a valuable community to be part of. Then there's We Work Remotely, one of the oldest and most established remote job boards. With a vast array of job listings and a user-friendly interface, it's a great place to start your search. Working Nomads is another platform worth checking out. With a focus on tech, marketing, and design jobs, it's a great resource for those in these fields. What's great about Working Nomads is its simple and easy-to-use interface, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Remotely is also a fantastic option, with a wide range of job listings in various categories. They also have a featured section, which highlights some of the most popular and high-paying jobs. Remote.OK is another top contender, with a vast array of job listings in tech, marketing, and more. They also have a company section, which allows you to explore companies that offer remote work options. So, which one of these websites stands out from the rest? In my opinion, it's FlexJobs. With over 20,000 job listings and a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, it's clear that FlexJobs is a trusted resource for remote job seekers. Many users have reported landing their dream jobs through FlexJobs, and I think it's a great place to start your search. To recap, finding the right remote job can be a challenge, but using the right platforms can make all the difference. By leveraging these top 10 websites, you can increase your chances of landing a legitimate remote job that fits your needs. If you've had any experiences with these websites or have other favorite platforms, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on remote work and check out our other video on how to create a productive home office on a budget. Watch to discover the top websites for remote job seekers and take the first step towards a more flexible and fulfilling career.